And we're following breaking news right now. The jury has reached a verdict in the trial of Andrew Selby.
He's the former Lancaster City Bureau of Police officer who was on trial for raping and attempting to rape multiple underage victims.
And let's go to Sarah Metz. She was in the courtroom when that verdict was read. She joins us now with more on what happened. Sarah?
Yeah, after about 4.5 hours, the jury of 5 women and 7 men actually found Andrew Scott Selby guilty on 7 out of 8 counts. Now, I was not sitting far from Selby during those deliberations in the hallway. He pretty much sat in silence the entire time as he waited to learn his fate, only ever looking up to talk to those who are close to him. Now, Selby is accused of using his power as a police officer to rape and or assault young girls between the ages of 11 and 16 back in the late 90s. I also had to sit behind him while that verdict was read. He didn't move or make any audible comments, but some family members, on the other hand, actually bursted out in tears. At one point, they stormed right past the bailiff and out of the courtroom while the judge was still talking. There also was a victim inside the courtroom who smiled after the first few guilty verdicts were read. The trial has had its ups and downs, with many heated moments inside the courtroom, including one where I'm told the judge became visibly angry at Selby's defense attorney. Court documents actually say he ended up fining the attorney $1,000 for commenting on the credibility of a witness and their testimony. Now, I did speak with Selby's defense attorney after court let out and the verdict was read and Selby was taken away in cuffs. He did say that they are disappointed because they believed that they had a solid defense, but he is also respectful of what the verdict is. However, he will be looking into any possibilities to appeal the decision. In Lancaster County, Sarah Metz, WGAL News 8.